Hello and welcome back to my video. Today I am in a very beautiful location. It is in 𝙙𝙤𝙙𝙩 near Haflong, and it is a picnic spot, and here there is a waterfall, and the surrounding area is covered with lot of big stones, and we are here for basically a picnic party. Okay, today let's discuss, as the weather, as the view is very lushy, very beautiful. Let's talk something about the inner journey or the life management skills. For the life management skills, I have already made one course, and why life management skill is important. Today I'll cover up this topic, a little glimpse on that. If we ask the title, why I have put the title the life management skill, why that is important, I think that life is more important than anything else. It is not only my view. We can see any point of time that life is more important than anything else, and after life and on the bed of the life, this all goes. If we don't have the life, then we cannot grasp anything, we cannot see anything, we cannot hear anything, we will not be there, because for life we are here. So that is the first idea about the life management skill. But if I ask you, in our modern era or in our modern education system, is there any emphasis, insist on the life? Probably not. Why I am saying that it is, we are not educated with the life, we are not told about the life. Why life is so important? If I raise one question here, life is important because life is the main root. If I ask you about the roots of a tree, if the roots will not be there for collecting their foods, for growing, for making them in rooted or stick in a particular place, for all that purpose, root is very much important. If there will not be any root, there will be no tree. Maybe some exceptions are there, but lot of trees, you have to have the, first of all, the roots. In the same way, in human life, if we don't have the roots, then we cannot able to prosper. And what are that roots? That roots are our life. If we don't know why the life is, so the whole center oriented with the life will dismantle or dysfunction. because we know a lot of things about economics, we know a lot of things about social, we know a lot of things about engineering, politics, technology, computer, then organization, then biology, physics, chemistry. But why these subjects are, why we need, if we don't have the subjects, despite so the whole existence is holding this as their own, as a integral part. But why we need to know about these particular subjects? Because only one aspect, because if we know any subject, that subjects may help us to make our well-being or make our welfare in our own way, which nature may not avail us. Even though nature has all the things, but it has particular place, it is situated in particular domain, particular geographical area, particular space. But if we know these things, we can avail that whenever wherever we are. So for that purpose, we need to know the various subjects, and these subjects are always oriented with us. And if we ask about who are us, us is not a group, us is actually an individual. A group of individual is called as us. So in a small way, or small unit, individual is much important than the group. First individual, then the group, then the society, then the political party, then the art. So various other aspects are growing depending upon the individual. If we know the individual, we could know the other aspects related with the individual. But if we don't know the individual, groups can be circulated, because for some individual there are always an inspiration, always a intervention of some individual in every society. If there some development, some discovery, some invention are happening, it is happening because for these ideas of discovering or invention is first came into one individual. If we avoid, if we neglect the individual, we will neglect the whole society, because whole society, a group of people may not want in a suddenly or out of nowhere, they cannot build anything. There are certain people, there are certain men or individual, they are inspired a group, they are taking some initiation. After that, by following these initiatives, the whole society is made. That is why the most important thing to know is the individual. And the today's education system, individual is totally ignored, individual is totally avoided, and that is why we are facing lot of problems. Because we all see in a, now we are all seeing in a group manner, but if we see in a group, there are individuals, and each individual have their different characteristics. And here I can also point out one thing, that is the competition and the coexistentialism. So here you can see the whole nature. So the nature is not competing with anything, any blade of grass is competing with the no blade of grass is competing with the big trees or huge trees or huge bowl of these boulders, these stones. There are small stones, there are big stones, there are big trees, small trees, there are foliages, there are bushes, there are waterfall, there are rivers, there is oceans. So this all are not competing with each other, they are coexistence with each other, they are support in some way each other. So in because for this perspective, because for this coexistentialism, this nature can be running with softly, with an ease. That is why the life management skill, why I am always talking, why I am emphasis about the life management skill, because this life management skill will make you understand, will make you know about how to stay in a coexistentialism, as there is no more science about symptoms about coexistentialism. That is why we are facing problems. We want to compete with each other, but by competing with each other we are losing ourselves. With this I want to conclude this video, because this video, otherwise this video will be lot more time consumed. And with this view today, you are already seen the beautiful view. I'll make you see the whole scenery. Very beautiful, very raw. Okay, bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.